Hey there! Welcome back if you watched the first two videos. And if you're new here, glad that you joined us. I'm Dina. I'm the founder of Your Quiet Rebuild. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about what the channel is, what it is not, and how I can be the one talking to you about this. So, what the channel is not. This channel is not about therapy. It's not about giving advice. It's not about telling you what to do. It's about recognizing that sometimes we all need help making decisions. And it's really helpful when you're trying to make a decision when you're under pressure, like going through a transition, maybe like moving or going through a divorce or going through a layoff. Those decisions are pressure decisions. And it really helps to have a system in place when you're trying to make a decision under pressure. So this channel is really, it's going to be fun, a decision support tool in disguise. I'm going to be helping you really make thoughtful decisions that you can trust about your next chapter using a framework that I've used with organizations at the highest level to help their executives and their employees get better at asking the right questions that lead to better outcomes and better decisions. So we're a decision-making tool. And that might sound a little bit boring. I totally get that. But when you apply these principles and this framework and you take it out of a corporate and organizational setting and then you introduce it to individuals, it's kind of like magic because it helps you get really clear on the most important question that most people skip, which is, what do you actually want to have happen? Now, I know that seems like a really simple question, like, okay, obviously I know that, Dina, but do you? Do you really? Because often I run across women who make decisions based on the current situation that they're in, or what other people around them need, or what they are expected to want, or what society expects them to choose. And none of that is really going to help you build a life that's really deeply satisfying to you and meets your needs based on the season you're in. Because life isn't just one long flowing event. We go through seasons. We go through expansion, exploration, rest, and recovery. So understanding what season you're in and then clarifying what you want to get out of that season is the first place to start. And so this channel is really about helping you ask those questions in a quiet space where you can hear the answer and know that the others who join this channel are asking the same questions. And then I ask myself these same questions. One of the things you're going to find from watching the videos, but also reading the guides, the Your Quiet Rebuild guides, is that I'm sharing my own personal lived experiences with you, and you're going to be able to see in real time how I use these frameworks to make decisions. In the first guide, you're going to read about a case study where I helped someone who made a move and then regretted it immediately think through her next steps, even though she was panicking and feeling desperate. She got to a better outcome. So really, that's what the channel is about, to help you think deeply, reflect on what you really want, let go of things that are no longer serving you, and then rebuild the life that you want in the way that you want so that you can feel peace and joy. Looking forward to talking to you on the next video, where we'll talk a little bit more about the specific topics we're likely to cover on the channel. And hopefully you'll be sharing some suggestions with me too. Talk to you then.